Good afternoon everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe, and I hope you all are studying well. See, I have got few videos from our student, and that was very beautiful. You have done activity very beautiful. So I would like to thanks all the parents for helping them and motivate them at home by seeing our video. We are really thankful to all the parents. Okay, now see, today we are going to do one worksheet. Okay, this is worksheet which you had to note down in your which notebook? English notebook. Okay, you have to note down in your English notebook. Okay, now before starting this worksheet, let's do one rhymes. Okay, let's do one rhymes. Hands up, hands down, up, down, up, down, clap, clap. Okay, now let's do our rhymes. Okay, which rhymes you want? Did you practice that 3 rhymes? Johnny, Johnny, yes Papa, twinkle, twinkle, and early to bed. Are you practicing these rhymes? Yes or no? You have to practice. Okay, next time I want to see the video of rhymes also. You have to do rhymes also. Okay, okay, you have to practice rain, rain, early to bed, Johnny, Johnny, and twinkle, twinkle rhymes. You have to practice at home. Okay, so now let's start one rhymes. Which rhymes you want to do? Let's do a 5 little monkey. Okay, let's do a 5 little monkey. You have to do with action. Okay, see, 5 little monkey jumping on the bed. 5 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. One fell down and bumped his head. Momo called the doctor. Doctor said, no, no monkey jumping on the bed. See, we should not jump on the bed. You will fall down. You will get hurt. Okay, so no jumping, no running here and there at home. Okay, that monkey was jumping here and there and he got hurt. Yes, and mama called the doctor, and if doctor will come, then doctor will put big injection. You will get pain. So no jumping, no naughty. Okay, you have to listen to your mama. Okay, okay, let's repeat this rhymes again. 5 little monkey, repeat after me. 5 little monkey jumping on the bed. 5 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. Doctor said, no, no monkey jumping on the bed. Thank you. Say, oh yes. Say, oh yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Do you know who I am? What is my name? I am your teacher. I am your teacher. And do you know what is my name? I am your Indira ma'am. Okay. Now today your Indira ma'am is going to teach you English subject. Which subject? English subject. We are going to do some activity or some worksheet. Okay, this is called worksheet. See, I told you that always maintain your notebook with colorful and attractive. See, always do your work with drawing picture. Okay, always do your work and maintain your notebook with a drawing picture, so that whenever you open the notebook, your notebook will look very attractive and very colorful. You have to see always whenever you're writing your drawing, you should make a few pictures also, so that your notebook will look very attractive and colorful. Okay, you see, then you will enjoy learning, then you will enjoy opening your notebook when you see the picture of different things, different object. Okay, so now this is which subject is this? This is English subject. Which subject is this? This is English subject. Which subject? English subject. See, number 1, trace over the line. You have to trace. Trace means you have to trace like this. See, here you can see the line, dot. You have to trace over this dot. Okay, to complete this line, you have to trace over this line. Okay, this all are called line, pattern. Okay, this all are called line. See, this is also called line, this is also called line, this is also called line, this is also called line. But this line has a different shape. See, this line is a straight line, this is mountain shape. See, this is snake shapes, no? See, this is zigzag shape. See, we have so many different line. Okay, we have so many different line. So today we are going to do this worksheet. Okay, see, what is this? This is chocolate. And what is this? This is ice cream. You have to join this chocolate and ice cream by tracing over the dot. Okay, trace. Trace means you have to write over here. Okay, you have to join the dot. Trace over the line to complete this line concept. Okay, this is called pattern also. This is called different pattern. See, this is also, this pattern is very different. This line pattern is very different. This line pattern is very different. This line pattern is very different. Though these all are line, right? These all are line, but the pattern is different. See, this line pattern is straight. This line pattern is mountain shape. Okay, this is called pattern. What is this called? Pattern. Pattern means though these all are line, but line pattern is different. This line pattern is different. Okay, so now let's complete this different line. Okay, so this is chocolate. What is this? This is chocolate. And what is this? This is an ice cream. Do you love ice cream? Do you love ice cream? See, you have to join the chocolate and ice cream with the help of pencil or use crayon or use color pencil. Okay, so see how I am joining this dot. again join this dot. Okay, you have to complete this line by tracing over the line. Okay, see how to trace. See, please don't take help of a mama. Don't tell mama to hold your hand. Okay, no holding hand. You have to practice yourself. Okay, don't tell mama, please hold my hand and help me. No, no baby. You have to write yourself. Though you make line, make your line like this, or you can make although you are making like this or like this, but fine, we'll be very happy. At least you have wrote something. No problem. Do like this zigzag, do up and down, no problem. But you have to write yourself. Okay, no holding hand. Okay, no holding hand. Tell your mama, mama, please don't hold my hand. I will write myself. Okay, you write up and down, do zigzag, zigzag, no problem. No problem. We'll be very happy to see your up and down work also. Okay, but please don't tell your mama to hold your hand. Okay, try to practice yourself. You have to be very strong. You should be very strong. Okay, so you have to trace yourself. Mama will not hold your hand. Okay, make up and down, do up and down, no problem. You are small baby, so no problem. So, but you have to do your work yourself. Okay. See, now let's complete this mountain pattern. See, you have to write over the dot. See, ting 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 ting. Mountain pattern, mountain line, mountain line, mountain line. See, complete. See, we have joined the butterfly to flowers. See, in this way you have to complete our line. Okay, now next come, what is this? This is umbrella. And when see this umbrella, when do you use umbrella? We use in winter season. Winter season you use an umbrella? No ma'am, you use umbrella in rainy season. We use umbrella in rainy season. See, this picture I have specially made for you to look your notebook very attractive. Okay, very attractive. See, we are learning the line concept also, plus we are learning the picture's name also, right? And when to use umbrella also. So always make your notebook attractive. Okay, you should always make a picture and learn the concept. Okay, see, this is umbrella. And when do we use umbrella? Rainy season. Okay, now we'll take this umbrella here by joining this dot. Okay, so let's complete this dot. This is called line. This is called line. Yes, finish. Right? Now next come, what is this? This is sun. What is this? This is sun. What is this? This is sun. And what is this? This is star. Now see how to join the line. See. Make a line, make a line, make a line, make a line. This is called line. You have to join the line. Finish! Yay! See, trace over the line. We have to trace over the line, right? See, chocolate, ice cream, butterfly, flower, umbrella, rain, sun, star. See, you have to put color here, okay? You have to put color here, okay? Here, 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 here. You will put color and you will make your notebook very pretty, okay? Very pretty and attractive, okay? Now, next come. This one is complete. You have to note down this one in your notebook for practice, okay? Now, next come. See, tick, tick, tick means like this, tick. Tick means you have to write, okay? This is tick, okay? Tick the object. These are called object. You have to tick the object. You have to tick the object. These all are called object. What is this all are called? Object. Okay? You have to tick the object. Okay? Tick the object that begin with letter C. Okay. Now see. Which letter is this? This is letter C. Which letter is this? This is letter C. Now you have to identify what stands for letter C. See, whenever I am teaching you, I always say you that always focus, always listen carefully. You have to identify letter and pictures, okay? So whenever your ma'am is teaching, you have to listen carefully, okay? Now see, now you have to identify. You have to tell me what stands for letter C. So what stands for letter C? A for apple, B for ball, C for what? You have to tick on that object, okay? C for ice cream. No, ma'am. C for pencil. No, ma'am. C for umbrella. No, ma'am. Then what comes? What stands for letter C? Can you please tell me what stands for letter C? C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. So you will tick on cat like this, okay? C for cat. So you will tick here, okay? You will tick on cat, okay? C for cat. C for cat. See, tick the object. These are called object, okay? And this is called letters, okay? See, A, B, C, D. These all are called letters. These all are called letters. And these all are called pictures, object, okay? See, then tick the object that begin with letter C. So C for cat. C for cat. So you will tick the cat. Okay. This one also you have to note down in your notebook. Okay, which notebook? English. Okay, this is for practice. Okay, now next come. Which letter is this? This is A. Now you have to circle letter A. You have to search here which one is letter A. Then you will circle it. Okay, this is which letter? A. Which letter is this? A. Now which one is A? This one is A? No ma'am. This one is A? No ma'am. This one is A? Yes. Then circle it. Okay. Now which letter is this? This is letter B. Which letter is this? This is letter B. So this one is B? No ma'am. This one is B? No ma'am. This one is B? Yes. B. B. Then you have to circle. Okay. Now which letter is this? This is letter C. Which letter is this? This is letter C. So this is letter C? No ma'am. This is letter C? No ma'am. This is letter C? Yes. C. C. Same. Then you will circle. Okay. Now which letter is this? This is letter D. Which letter is this? This is letter D. So this one is letter D? No ma'am. This one is letter D? No ma'am. This one is letter D? Yes. Then circle it. This is called identifying letter. See, you have to identify the same letter and circle it. This is a puzzle type of game, puzzle type of work for you, okay, which you have to use your brain. This is a puzzle work for you to use your brain, okay, use your mind. See, you have to identify letter A and you have to search and circle it. You have to identify letter, this is letter B, and you have to identify letter B and circle it. This is letter C. You have to identify letter C and circle it. This is letter D. So you have to identify letter D and circle it. This is called puzzle worksheet. That is good for you to use your mind and brain. Okay, to make your mind busy for identifying letters. This worksheet is very important. So you have to write this one also in your notebook for only practice and for identifying letters and pictures. And this is called line concept. Okay, these all are called line concept. Okay, these all are called line pattern. This is all are called line and they have a different pattern. Okay, and these all are pictures and these all are letters. So please try to practice at home. Okay, bye bye. Love you all. Please take care of yourself and drink milk every day. Okay, bye bye.